Maybe this will keep your head turned this way, more towards Mummy, because he keeps turning his head towards the television. TV obsessed. Oh, okay, he's got prunes all over the place. Do you like your prunes? That good stuff? Okay, hold on. Hold on. Oh, there you go. All right, here we go. Cereal. All right, come on. You're playing around. Here. This is some mixed cereal. I mixed it myself. I got 2 pots of oatmeal. Because he's not really taking the oatmeal by itself, so. Round. And it's got some pears in it. Father Fruity likes, well, actually, if I could mix it with prunes, then that'd be one thing, but we don't want poopies all over everywhere, huh? Because you like, really like prunes. But I mix it with the pears and just give him the prunes as like a little extra special treat, because he only gets a couple of bites of them. That good stuff? Huh, is that good stuff? Yeah, you want some more? Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum. Yeah, we're gonna just shut the television off so there's no distractions and your head keeps turning more towards me rather than uh-oh on your nose. Uh-oh on the nose. Uh-oh on the nose. You like that? Is that good stuff? You want to taste of the prunes? You want a taste of the prunes? See if the temperature's okay. Here's the prunes. Now he'll open his mouth easily again. Here we go. Yeah, I know you want that. I'll give you that. Jackson, over here. Oh, all right, I'm just trying to make it so that you don't have it all in your ears like that. All right. Want some more? Want some more? No, don't spit food at Mama. No, don't spit food at me. That's gross. That's gross when you spit it. You get so messy. So much messier than you did before. It just gets worse and worse until it gets better, huh? Yum, yum. Num, num. Don't be making that noise. You don't want to choke. Yum, 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 yum. Say, Mama, I love you, Mama. I love you, Mama. You're good at eating over the spoon. You do such a good job. You're a good boy. We're gonna go for a skate. Why don't you eat your breakfast? We'll get you changed, get you washed up, and we'll go for a skate. We'll go skating with Mama. And then he gets a nap and I have to stay awake until the next nap. Which yesterday you didn't nap at all, huh?